You know, right? Every time you watch a YouTube video, you generate a view, and that view then again generates AdSense revenue for someone like me. And you could be on the opposite side. And no, you do not have to show your face, you don't have to write your scripts, you don't have to edit your videos. You also don't have to hire a freelancing team to do that for you. And most surely you don't have to spend hours and hours to producing your content. There is so much more simple and super lazy way how to do that, and all you essentially need to do is copy and paste some text around. You want that full-time earnings without spending full-time hours into the process, right? So let's break it down how to achieve that. Once you set up your framework right, you are then aiming to earn around $10 per every 1,000 views on YouTube. That's of course if you select the correct niches with the high CPM. So if you look on this channel right here, click on the revenue tab, you can see that the RPM is $9.46 on average, meaning some videos can get a bit more, some videos can get a bit less. But that's why you're looking on the average around $10 per every 1,000 views to say that you are on a relatively high end of CPM niches on YouTube. Now, the laziest way how to find these niches is heading to our school community. And there we have a whole list of the niche reference examples that you can then use as for your reference and inspiration. These are the niches that we have tested, and we know that it's higher CPM on videos on those niches, so you can use them to get started. You will find the link to our free school community just below in this video description. After you have selected your niche, the next step would be then come up with some video topics and ideas. Of course, you can search for trending videos on YouTube itself, or you can also use tools like vidIQ. If you come on the research, you can find outperforming videos in outlier section here, find trending keywords, trending videos. But the most laziest way to do that would be just head straight to the Gemini or ChatGPT and ask to generate a number of trending YouTube video ideas for a faceless channel in your niche, specifically focusing on the topics that can be easily created using AI tools and are designed to capture viewer attention and drive conversions. Now, why that matters, I will explain you just in a second. So right now, let's say we need 10 ideas and we will be in making money online niche. So we're just gonna write making money online in this placeholder. Hit submit, and here you go. Gemini is just generating you ideas for your faceless YouTube channel. Now, and here you can see you have been given the titles of these videos, the tools that you would need to use, some content that can be in this video. Now you just pick one of these ideas and move on to the next step, and that's creating your script. Now, as I said, all we're gonna do here is copy and paste. Now you can copy one of these titles and simply ask to Gemini write you the whole script for this particular video, again bearing in mind that that's going to be created with the AI tools. Or you can also find already well-performing video on YouTube and copy the YouTube video link into the tool called video2blog.ai. This is also a great tool and super quick and lazy way how to get your script done. Once you have pasted the YouTube video URL here, hit on create blog post, and it will give you a unique version of that script retelling the all information in the structure that you can find in your reference video. Now from here, you can again copy and paste. As you may guess, simply copy this text and head to 11 Labs to get your voiceover done. With 11 Labs, first what you need to do is select the voice that you want to apply on your videos. You can also clone your own voice. We are recommending 11 Labs simply because of the massive voice library they have, all professional voices that does sound like human, and nobody will accuse you that you are using AI robot voices. Then you head on the studio and simply paste the script that you have just done by starting the new project from scratch. Then once you have pasted your text, you simply export your voiceover and it's ready to be applied on your video. Then once you paste your text, you simply select the voice, apply it on your video and click to export your voiceover. It will be exported in MP3 file that you can then apply it onto your video. For the next step, we are moving to actually generating your video. It would take you no more than 1 hour in this whole process as whole, and the biggest part of this will be your video editing. And when I say video editing, you don't actually have to edit the video yourself, and I will just show you just in a second. So the next step is to head to pictory.ai. If you use our link in this video description to sign up for the Pictory, you can then receive 20% off on any premium plan on Pictory for lifetime, not just for 1 month, but forever. So go ahead, use the link, sign up for the Pictory, use the code in the checkout to receive 20% off for your lifetime Pictory subscription, and then simply head to this tool called text video, and you guessed it right, you can simply paste your text and from here then generate your video. It will take only a couple of seconds for Pictory to matching stock footage, videos, audios, images to your text, and your video will be done. Then of course you need to go ahead and upload your voiceover from the 11 Labs by simply clicking on this audio tab. And once you are happy with your scenes and your audios, simply click on download and your video is ready to be processed and uploaded to your YouTube channel. Now all this whole process in total won't take you more than 1 hour, as I said, and you can now clearly see why. You don't have to sit here and actually have timelines open and try to match your videos to your voiceover, to your script, to your captions, to anything. It's so smooth and easy and lazy to do that. So now once you have your video done and downloaded, we need to think of your video packaging, and that's your video title and thumbnail. Now the most laziest way again to create your titles would be either to go back onto the AI as Gemini or ChatGPT, or head back to your vidIQ tool, and here from vidIQ, if you click on create, you can come on generate tab and you can create your whole video titles and descriptions simply by inputting what you want to make your video about. Now we have our title already from Gemini that we can input here on vidIQ. Once you have input your information, click on generate and it will give you some ideas for your thumbnails. Now the thumbnails might not be the greatest ones, you can still work on them, or you can then just also use only the titles or descriptions. And I'm also going to propose you some keywords and tags that you can then use to optimize your videos. Now with that being said, the most laziest way to get your thumbnail done would be to use the link in this video description, and I have done some high performing high CTR thumbnail templates ready for you. You can then edit them with a free Canva account. All you need to do is change the text and add your own images, and then you can just upload them on your YouTube videos. Now you are aiming for your CTR to be at least 10% for your videos to get recognized as high performing videos and for YouTube algorithm to push them more for the wider audience. Now if your video CTR stands below 10% and your thumbnails are not able to stop the scroll and pull in your viewers, there's a high chance your video won't get more than around 1,000 views. Well, that's at least our experience from multiple YouTube channels that we are running. Now your video is ready to be uploaded and optimized and scheduled on YouTube. Now I will make another video all about YouTube channel settings and how to optimize your videos, but essentially that's it, that's the whole process. And then you just need to go on it on repeat. Now if you're interested to see more advanced in-depth tutorials, how to use each of these tools, how to set up your YouTube channel properly, join our free community on School. You will find all of that there. And also you can double amount that you make on AdSense and earn the same amount additionally to AdSense revenue on YouTube if you set up your YouTube channel properly. Again, more information on that, how to do it, is on our free community, and I hope to see you there very shortly.